Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be doing a review on these seat covers that I ordered from Wish, and going to go over them and how I installed them and what I like about them, what I don't like about them. That's pretty much going to be it. It's probably going to be another short review because it's not like there's a whole lot to talk about, but alright, we'll get into it. So first off, this is pretty much it. I already put this one on, but this is how they come. Both of them packed. They were packed together and then wrapped up, and then they stuffed them in the mailbox. So if you get a lot of mail, chances are your mailbox is going to bust open. They had to put a rubber band on the latch on ours to keep it from coming open when they put these in there. But other than that, that's the only concern I'd be about the shipping. They got here in about a week's time. You know, I can't remember what kind of material this is. I'll have to look it up. I might put the seller at the end of the video, or in the video somewhere, if I can screenshot it on my computer. But I know it don't match nothing else in this truck. I wanted to get black ones. I don't know why I got these beige ones, because floor mats are black. I got black dash cover, and the rest of the interior is like gray. But I'm not keeping these on here though. I'm gonna order black ones, most likely. One thing I thought was neat about them is they got this little pouch right here. I don't know why. And they got a thing right here that you would normally use to strap to the front, but I ain't got nothing to hook to under there, so. And they fit the seat quite nicely. It might fit another seat differently. It might fit another seat better. It might fit it worse, who knows. This is about pretty much the exact size I needed though. The install, it came with these things right here. I don't know how well you can see them, but yeah, I ran the bungee things through the back of the seat, just hooked them like this. That's the only way I can figure out how to hook it. It comes with these, 2 for each, and I just ran them through the back seat. And it stayed pretty good. I've hopped in and out of here a couple times. I'll throw that other one on real quick. We'll see how they both look and go from there. Here's just another shot to show you how they come packaged. You know, the 2 things they come with, and that's basically it. That's all that it comes with. Yeah, this is just basically it. It's not bad material. I like it. But just the process of getting it on here ain't bad either. Just gotta kind of loop it over like so. And it'll just kind of form to it. I know my truck's messy, don't worry about that. Alright, give me 1 second. Okay, so I actually did find a place to hook these up right here on the front. So I'm going to do that to the other side. And I found a place to hook them to. Don't mind all the trash in here. But I found another place to hook them to right here. On, back up a little bit. Yeah, right here. So I actually don't need to use these. So I'm going to redo them on the driver's side now. And go from there. Alright guys, so that's probably going to be it for this video. It's raining here. I've been standing out in it for a little while now. But I wanted to get this video and show y'all how the seat covers look, how they are, and they're not too bad. I just wish I got black, but I'll be ordering some more soon. I forget how much I paid for these, but I'll put it in the video, the price, if I can find it back on Wish. I just have to go to my order history and find it. Like I said, they're not bad. It's just I wish I got black. The material's pretty nice, you know. It'll help protect the seat. So if you get a car with this color interior, It match up pretty good. It just don't match mine at all. But it is what it is. I'll know better next time. But like I said, that's how it looks on both sides. That's gonna be a wrap for this video. Would I recommend them? Yeah, because I'm pretty sure I paid a cheap price for them. You know, like everything on Wish. They got here pretty soon, and they look and feel great since being beige. But that's gonna be a wrap for today's video. If you like the content and you want to see more review content, please like and subscribe. It helps me out a lot, and I'd appreciate it if you would. And if you want to see more review content, you know, that's gonna be it. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a good one.